Hi, hello, good evening. I am Mark English, working as professor in the civil engineering department. Now we are going to express topic on case studies on environmental impact assessment in thermal power plants. Our students belongs to agricultural engineering and AML engineering students going to express the case studies on thermal power plants.
Okay, we are going to do a case study on environmental impact assessment on thermal power plant. Environmental impact assessment is used to predict, preventive, and evaluate the environmental impact, which is proposed development based on their implemented when they implemented. Then it plays a crucial role on sustainable development. Based on that proposed development activities on economic growth does not occur the proposed development. We mainly focuses on environmental impact assessment on proposed conducted on 500 MW coal based on thermal power plant.
The AAA process begins with the air pollution and noise pollution and social environment issue based on with their project. So many projects are based on their chemical influence like nitrogen sulfide and sodium hydroxide. These are affecting the human body so well. So the major issue is affecting the human body, plants, animals and other insects also. So we are so defecting in the plants and animals, even the humans. But humans are easily adapted with their chemicals and destroy their chemicals in their body, but plants and animals can be destroyed. So we prevent to all the chemical because of sodium hydroxide and nitrogen oxide. So we prevent the plants and animals, even the insects also. The human body can easily adapt to the chemicals, but plants and animals can't adapt the chemicals. So we prevent to avoid the chemicals and increase the social environment cleanness because of air pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution and biodiversity is major role in environment. So we are affecting the chemicals, but does not destroy the chemicals. So we consume the less chemicals to more environment in our life.
The thermal plant project have main facilities like ash disposal, our cold storage, our storage unit, our power generation unit, and our water supply structures from rivers. These are main purpose to in thermal plant project because the thermal plant make high pollution. Government consider it a high risk project in EAA notification 2006. So if you want to start the project, if we have approval of EAA. So the main purpose of EAA is to study or analyze the effects of air, land, economic life, nearby people and animals to measure to reduce and protect from the effects.
So in agricultural engineering, there are major impact of the thermal power plant. In this project, it's called to impact of environmental pollutions. So the environmental pollutions are like such as air pollution, water pollution, and soil, and it's also affect on plants and animals. So in this project, to prevent that, so it's predict to advantage to so it's predict risk and environmental problems. So in this project is very useful for agriculture engineering and combined with AI technology. So it's also helpful as well.
And it can suggest to meditation and measurement development, and it can promote the spatiality and environmental to the development. That's all.
And the main purpose of discussing the case studies about environmental impact assessment is to get environmental impact suggestion and to get the idea from the environmental people to avoid the pollution in the coming days, so people can live safely without any production problems in the future. So because nowadays in Delhi we have large amount of pollutions are there, air quality index is reduced much compared to other states. So we have to safeguard our environment without polluting the atmosphere. So we have to follow the environmental impact assessment in a better manner. So in the thermal assessment we are discussing about that. Likewise, we have to discuss in each and every aspect. So to prevent the environment, it is mandatory coming in nowadays. Thank you.